So yeah, I feed my chickens a fermented food. So all that I do is I take the pellets. You can take the, what is it, the grind up of this. So basically, what do you call it? Lay meal. It's not pellets. So you take a cup of that and I put it in these just normal coffee bottles. So I put it in here with water. Let's open one. Just fill it up with water, and however much your chickens need, and it starts boiling, bubbling as it ferments. Now free here that's busy doing its thing. So just leave it for 1 or 2 days till it smells like a good sour smell. Not if it smells off, then don't feed it to your chickens. But a good sour taste, that's like sour bread or sauerkraut, that is good for the chickens. So yeah, and then I sprout the maize. I sprouted too much, but I sprout them, and you can feed this to the chickens too. So I throw this into the fermented food as well, just 1 day before I feed it to them. It's all good. So you basically just soak it in water, then after that you keep it moist. That's it.